Yo, what's really good, people? It's Curtis back with another investment video. If you don't know what to do because you're new, please make that like button go blue. Please smash that subscribe button. I'm on a mission to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. I'm absolutely delighted to say that. And thank you to everybody that's been supporting the journey thus far. Infinite Investors is about helping all new and non-investors make sense of the stock market. So whether it's my own personal portfolio update, general investment news to do with, say, tax, dividends, value investing, etc., or stock market news and updates, I think this is the channel to help everybody become investors and hopefully become more comfortable with the stock market and become better investors. In light of the fact and my most recent milestone, I've decided to launch a brand new series called Stocks to Watch. This series is stocks that I personally am watching, added to my personal watch list, and stocks that I think that I would invest in because of a whole bunch of information, whether it's news or fundamental data or whatever it is that sort of triggers me to want to purchase this stock. The key thing to mention is that I'm not advising you to buy any of these stocks. These are just my own personal take on good opportunities, but as always, do your own research. It's so critically important that obviously you're spending your own hard-earned money, and so you need to know what you're buying, and so do your own research as much as possible before you enter any stocks, as your capital is obviously at risk. In light of that fact, the first stock to watch is Beyond Meat. Now, Beyond Meat IPO'd on May the 2nd, so yesterday, and they've had the best IPO performance of any US company with a market cap of over 200 million in the last 18 years, so since 2000, which is absolutely incredible. Beyond Meat is basically a plant-based meat substitute food organization. So they create meat products that you will see, such as sausages and burgers, etc. However, they're all made from plant-based plants, I guess. They're made from plants effectively. They're all vegan friendly. They're not used from any meat based products, etc. Now, I think from a ethical standpoint, when you look at their mission and what they're trying to achieve, even if you're not a vegan or you're still a meat eater, I think from an investment standpoint and an ethical standpoint, what they're doing just as an organization alone is obviously going to help so many different areas. They believe that they're improving health, positively impacting climate change, addressing global resource constraints, and improving animal welfare. So even if you're an animal lover but you still eat meat, or you're concerned with climate change, or you're concerned with the amount of energy that goes into being used in order to support agricultural farming, from an ethical standpoint, I think the company is a great option. But the reason why it's a one to watch is purely from the fundamentals. They shot up 160%. And now their valuation soared from 1.5 billion to 3.8 billion, which is a significant amount of growth. As I mentioned, that 160% growth meant that they're the biggest pop-in IPO since 2000, which is a significant amount of growth. As I mentioned, they're trying to take a slice out of the 1.4 trillion global meat market, and even if they take a small slice, I think that it means that they're going to be quite a significant organization, generally speaking, in the future. You will have, from my perspective, they've got first mover advantage from being a sort of public, vegan oriented company. So I think, other companies will adopt this model and they will emerge. I believe other food companies will come. But I do always believe in first mover advantage being able to be in being an advantage for investors and for consumers alike. So I think that's going to be great from their perspective. When you look at their trading performance, as I mentioned, they obviously have only been traded for one day. They've just started trading today pre-market, and they launched at a $25 share price. That was what they were listed at. They came into the market, it started trading at $45. It reached highs of $73, and then it closed at $65. Generally, in this IPO culture, what we see is the complete inverse. They'll come in at a price, and they'll just start to tank for the next week, day, month, and sometimes year or multiple years, as you've seen in some of my previous videos. So I do think Beyond Meat is one to watch. Unfortunately, I can't invest straight away just because Free Trade don't have it on their platform, and also the only other trading platform I currently use is also eToro, and eToro don't even have it on their platform as well. So from that standpoint, I will have to wait until one of those two get it on their platform. I don't believe to create another brokerage account just for one stock. I think that's a bit of an overkill, so I will wait. I do think the stock will fall and it will consolidate. Just because of the hyper momentum. It's probably, maybe this isn't probably the accurate reflection of the current today's price. However, I do think long term it will still have a growth opportunity. So if you're on the Free Trade platform, please head over to the community. Please vote for Beyond Meat. There's 88 people that have already voted for this organization, and hopefully it will encourage the Free Trade bosses to get Beyond Meat onto the platform. And yeah, I do believe from a long-term investment standpoint, which is what this channel's focused towards, 1 to 3 years, 3 to 5 years and beyond, I think it will be a great opportunity. So yeah, Beyond Meat is my first stock to watch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, please comment, please subscribe, please share. Get in the comments, will you invest in Beyond Meat when it arrives? You know, what's your thoughts on investing in this organization? If there's any other stocks you want me to sort of give my take on, let me know. Might not create a video on it, but I might just give you my response in the comments about a specific stock that you're selecting. So get in the comments, but please help the channel get to its next goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of May, and hopefully we can keep on growing to infinity and beyond. Meat. I'm so sad, I swear that. Take care everyone, happy investing, see you later.